Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham and this is the Bitcoin analysis for you. So guys, Bitcoin is currently trading at around the $38,500 mark, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning for Bitcoin to slide further to the south. I strongly believe that the region of around 32, 33,000 or around the $30,000 mark approximately could hold good support for Bitcoin price. And as far as some of the altcoins are concerned, I am looking at Ethereum at this point of time. Ethereum could very well be around the 1800, $1,700 mark, and if we are getting at that range, we should be looking to accumulating more and more of this. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but my strategy currently is that I am focusing and keeping a lot of stable coins or cash in hand. Right, how you can keep cash in hand? You can have stable coins like USDT, USDC, anything that you prefer. And whenever we are getting these dips, right, buy and continuously DCAing into Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the primary two coins which I am focusing on currently. Apart from that, there is a couple of other tokens that I might look at adding below certain levels. For example, if BNB goes below $300, I might add BNB. If Sandbox goes below $3, I may add Sandbox a little bit as well. But I strongly believe that the month of March, we are about 10 days from March currently, and I think the month of March would be red, right, and to say the least, right. And we have seen in the past as well that March has generally been a red month, and I told you right at the beginning of the year itself that many people were predicting that the first quarter is going to be the top of the bull market. It's not going to be the first quarter, guys. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Probably end of second quarter, beginning of third quarter, or beginning of fourth quarter probably could be the time when Bitcoin might top out. Again, the technicals, as far as the technicals are concerned, we are in a bear market. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And all the technicals are indicating for a prolonged bear market. Will we get a prolonged bear market? I strongly believe that possibly not. Possibly we will get one further spike to the upside. Maybe $90,000, $9,500 might be on the cards for Bitcoin, but that may take some amount of time, right? Till that time, what you need to do, you need to buy into your favorite coins. And for me personally, my favorite coin is Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm just focusing on these two, a little bit of BNB as I mentioned earlier, and Sandbox. So probably these two majorly, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the other two, very small quantities. I'll continue DCing into all of these tokens. And I would rather say that, for all other altcoins, I am staying away from them, and I am not looking to enter any of those altcoins. Let's say it could be Solana, AVAX. I am not looking at either one of those. Okay, I am just focusing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The sole reason for that being, even if we enter a prolonged bear market, let's say for a year and year and a half, and if let's say Bitcoin goes to the lows of $25,000 or $22,000 or $20,000, I don't think so, by the way, that we are going to $20,000. I think the zone around 25, 27, 28, 24, that zone is going to be the bottom for Bitcoin, and the 200-week simple moving averages coming continuously coming up, right? So we could be in a in a range for quite some time between $25,000 and $40,000. We may continue multiples steps upside, going up to 40, 42, 43, then coming down to 32, 30, for that matter even 25,000. And $25,000 is probably going to be the bottom, but you never know for the market, right? That is the simple reason why I will continuously buy into Bitcoin, DCAing into Bitcoin, and accumulate more and more Bitcoin. For some of the other altcoins that I may have, right, or you may have for that matter, what I am doing with my altcoins now, in the previous run I had already converted most of my altcoins into Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever gave me the higher return at that point of time. I've converted it into that particular token. For you also, I'll recommend the similar thing. Have the buy date in hand. Okay, when did you buy that particular altcoin? Match it against the value of Bitcoin. Like for example, let's say I hold Matic, right? So let's say I bought Matic back in September for $1 something 20 25 cents, but what was the value of Matic in that particular day against Bitcoin, right? So I'll just compare that and what is the returns that Matic is giving me against Bitcoin right now, and I would probably sell my altcoins or sell my Matic into Bitcoin, right? I might miss out the a surprise rally that may come up, but that's fine with me because I do not take a lot of risk with my portfolio. I'm happy with Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever I'm getting out of those, and probably the few other metaverse coins. That's all. By few, I mean only probably Sandbox. I've been a fan of Sandbox for quite some time. If you have been following our channel, you'll be knowing that. So Sandbox probably I'll add, and BNB because Binance is the largest exchange. I've been a fan of FTX also. FTX, if it goes around $30, I might add. But yeah, every trade that I'm taking, I'll keep you up to date on our Telegram handle. So please join our Telegram channel. Link is in the pinned comments. Also follow us on Twitter because Twitter is the place where we keep you up to date with all the real-time happenings. And currently, guys, the market is driven by a lot of bad fundamental news, right? For example, the Fed is going to increase the rates in March. So what it could, what could actually happen. So we are preparing content on it, how the market has reacted each time when the Fed has increased the rate in the past, right? It would be crypto market as well as the world stock market as well. Also, what I am hearing is that, this Ukraine crisis that is going on currently, this could, yeah, very well have a bad impact on the global economy, but this thing is not going to end anytime soon. After Ukraine, it could be Belarus. It's a country in Eastern or Central Europe. I think Russia is going to enter into a kind of a struggle with them as well. So this is not going to end anytime soon as far as I'm concerned. And if these are the sentiments, the market will continue to slump, right? And for the world market, for the stock market, I think 2022 is going to be the year when markets are mostly going to either move sideways or to the south, right? So possibly that is an option. Also, what asset is going to give the a better return is going to be gold. I strongly believe that gold is piped for a 25% increase. For gold, that is a good move, right? We are looking at around $2,300 for gold. I had shared the chart of gold on Twitter as well, so it's important you follow us on Twitter. Link is given in the description below right now. So guys, at this point of time, to sum it up, I am personally looking at Bitcoin. I am personally looking at Ethereum and a few others. For all other altcoins that I hold, either if I am not in profit against USDT, I'm converting into Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever is giving me more profits. So do let me know what altcoins do you hold. Go down, comment below right now, and I'll give you analysis for each one of them, right? That's a commitment from my side. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.